What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we just spent an entire day in the range. Again, gotta love it, right? You guys see this range right here? It's beautiful. We do not want to break out of it, apparently, which is more than fun. We'll see. We had some nice downside move off of the 4,600 reject today, which we knew that 4,600 was going to be a big level to watch to the upside as of our homework from last night, right? Reacted negatively, went right down to 45.60 slash 45.50, right? Pretty much the previous two days lows. So where do we go from here? I think we know where we go. But we should always check what's coming out tomorrow. We should always pay attention. Pre-market data for tomorrow. We do have some initial jobless claims coming out. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll be the big data coming out pre-market. Then a little bit of data at 10 a.m. You guys can see right here: wholesale inventories, trade sales, etc. So pre-market data 30 minutes into the market open. Then I believe the following day we do have the unemployment rate. Which will be big. I believe the NFP numbers in here as well, consumer sentiment. So still a lot of data coming out for the remainder of the week. So we want to be cognizant of that. Next week we have CPI, PPI, and I believe we have FOMC, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. If we don't have CPI and PPI, then we definitely have POW next week. Yep. So we have CPI, PPI, and then the interest rate decision with POW. Does the market wait for this? I don't know. I'm not going to. My job is to just react. I'm not going to predict. But if there was ever a catalyst that we needed, CPI, PPI, and FOMC meeting coming out all within a 48-hour area, it could definitely get us out of this range, right? But tomorrow, the plan is going to be as follows. Okay. We can see we are gearing up for a huge move in here. It's coming. Where will it be? Will it be down? Will it be up? We have no idea. All we need to know is that we have to get under 45.35 for us to break down to the downside. Underneath there, 4,500, 44.35 from there. Okay. If not, 45.40 holds on a bounce, just like it has a bunch of times, and look to get long from there. Break and hold under 45.35 just to be safe. Opens up 4,500, about 35 points to the downside. If we bounce here, look for longs up to 4,600. Break and hold 46.08 to the upside. Opens up 46.01. Is this sounding a little bit repetitive? Well, it should. It should. You just have to play the chart, not your heart. Same thing goes for tomorrow. 453, 453, 453. If we hold, look for calls. Break and hold under 453. Okay, break and hold at 453. Could target 451, 448.50 for the bounce in there. If we could take out 457 to the upside, I think the upside range of 459 to 460 will be in play. Okay, on to the QQQ. Ooh, have to take this off. QQQ. Are we making a little bit of like a bull flag in here? I don't know. Some people would say we might be, right? I don't know. Honestly, all I know is this. Unless we take out 382 to the downside, which is the gap fill, 383.50 or 383, 382.50. Unless we take out this area to the downside, I'll be looking for bounces, right? Gap fill underneath 382 opens up 378.50 gap fill. Look for the bounce in that zone. Lots of consolidation here. It looks like we could be ready for our move. Okay. Have to get back above 388 for me to think we could see 390, 394 above there. IWM, last but not least, finally saw that 188 touch, right? 188, zoom out, look left. You could see that level perfectly. Now, do we get our pullback from here? It's very possible. I'm looking for a 182 bounce. 182 will be the level you want to watch tomorrow on IWM. Bounce, break and hold of the downside, opens up 178, 176 from there. But I think we get a 182 bounce on IWM. Guys, that's all I got for you today. No individual names. Going to go in pretty fresh tomorrow. I want to see what's going to go on with the jobless claims coming out if you're in the Woolswell Discord. We'll update you on any individual names that we will see. Other than that, guys, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. See you bright and early. Peace.